ARCA Pet Travel Bag for Cat and Dog Backpack. Store all dog stuff and puppy supplies. Includes 1 dog travel bag, 1 large dog food travel container, 2 collapsible travel dog bowls, gray. Compact yet fits all your pet stuffs. One of the most organized dog bags with 11 individual pockets to store all of your puppy stuff. Each compartment has different shapes and sizes to serve all of your dog travel accessories needs, which makes this bag the best pet gear in the business. Features a pet food storage bag that can hold up to 15 cups. Bring ample amounts of yummies in this insulated and waterproof 15-cup dog treat container. Can hold up to about a week's worth of food and snacks. Contains a BPA-free, collapsible travel dog bowl. X2 These bowls are made of silicone and are dishwasher safe, making it the safest dog travel bowl in the business. Feed your pets fed and hydrated with this portable dog water bowl while on the go.